was coming here, I was watching videos on Instagram. Tapos nakita ko, there was an Olympic gold medalist from US. Compare yung incentives niya dun sa incentives mo. Parang medyo manipis yata yung sa US. A question for Marty Bautista is, anong plano mo sa cash incentives mo? Is there something that you really want to get for yourself? Parang meron ka bang gustong i-give sa sarili mo? Kasi kanina, I think an hour ago, may bagong kotse ka na. yung bagang nabas, so congratulations. That's a very nice car. But is there something that you want to get for yourself still? Diba? Parang a little token just to reward yourself for all of the efforts.
Actually, hindi ko talaga iniisip ano yung nakukuha ko. Appreciate ko po talaga yung gold medal ko talaga. Grabe. Ayun ko yung detail ko talaga. Sobrang thank you po talaga sa na-recognize ko sa akin. And nabigyan po kami na parang ngayon, focus po ako na sa personal life ko. To balance it. Stressful po na competition and mahaba-haba na pagpaplano nakamit ko dito yung pinapangarap ko sa buhay. So, salamat talaga kay Lord.